And that's 3 minutes gone.
Hey, I am annoyingly skinny, and this is 3 minutes gone. Today, I got a package in from Amazon. It is a Lutron dimmable switch for my outdoor lights. I'm very excited to put it in. I'm not particularly handy, but I always try and do this stuff myself. So my first obvious discovery, obvious to me now, is that this is a flat panel type switch, and these are the older toggle ones. So I am going to need to do a quick Rona run in order to get the right parts. Perfecto, so Rona had the same ivory type flat toggle switches. So now it is a matter of me turning off the power at the circuit breaker. Holy cow! I've moved on to power tools. Turns out that the Robertson end I need, the one I have, is the size too big. So just a quick run to the Rona and I will be back. Yay, one! I think that my next step is to take a Sawzall and just cut out the whole piece of wall. This is the part of the video where I can't remember which switch was the outside one, and it was the left one. I thought it was the left one. This is the part of the video where I try and connect something that has 2 wires to something that has 4 wires. I thought it would be good to read the stop and read this before installing this product note. Also along with that note is a small little manual. Okay, that small little manual unfolded to be a piece of origami. This is why electricians get Primo coin, because this junk is confusing. And I'm just gonna go for it and flip the switch, see what happens. Come on, man. I'm sure if you actually know what you're doing, there's an easier way. Do you smell that? That's the smell of frustration. Okay, I've got it all wired together and I'm going to flip the breaker. Okay, go! Yeah. Okay, so we are in and powered on. The final step will be to put the wall plate back. I just need to do one more run to Rona, the wall plate. Yep, we are back from Rona with the wall plate.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I am successfully skinny. And that is 3 minutes gone.